If you can only deep clean one room a week, let it be the bathroom. Clean it and make it smell and feel like a spa. I start with my cleaning hack of white vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and water, and put it in a spray bottle and use that all over the sink, the faucets, the toilet, and really make sure that I get all of that nice and clean. I then like to use these sticky chair pads to put some essential oils on, and I can stick those underneath the garbage can, behind the toilet, behind the mirror, or any place where I can conceal that fragrance. I do the same technique with cotton balls and add those cotton balls to the towels, inside the toilet paper roll, and any place else I want that fragrance to keep on going all week long. Then I like to put some of that oil into the toilet along with some baking soda and really sanitize it with some boiling water to get it extra clean. And the final step is I make my own bath salts with using Epsom salt, lavender seeds, the essential oils, putting it into a jar, layering it all on top of each other and keeping it on the counter. Not only does it look beautiful, it smells beautiful. You have got your own spa right at home, so get busy.